Hey there, creative minds. Welcome back to our channel. If you're passionate about design or photography, you've probably heard of Photoshop. But today, we're diving into a fascinating feature that's been creating quite the buzz: generative fill. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, this tool is about to change the way you work with images. So, grab your digital brush and let's get started. But first, what exactly is generative fill and how does it work? Let's take a closer look. Generative fill is a powerful AI-driven feature in Adobe Photoshop that allows you to fill selected areas of an image with content generated by artificial intelligence. This means that when you have a blank space or want to remove an object, Photoshop can intelligently create pixels to seamlessly blend with the surrounding area. For example, let's say you have a stunning landscape photograph, but there's an unwanted object, like a trash can, distracting from the view. Instead of spending hours cloning and healing, you can simply select the trash can, right-click, and choose Generative Fill. In seconds, Photoshop will analyze the surrounding pixels and generate a fill that looks natural, as if the trash can was never there. Check this out. Here's the original image on the left and the edited version on the right. The result is almost magical, right? It's like having a professional retoucher at your fingertips. But it doesn't stop there. Generative fill can also be used creatively. Imagine you're working on a promotional poster for a music festival. You want to add a vibrant sunset in the background to set the mood. You can select an area of the sky, use generative fill, and type in a colorful sunset. The AI will generate a beautiful sunset that fits perfectly with the rest of your image. The possibilities are endless. This feature is powered by Adobe Sensei AI, which means it learns from thousands of images and patterns to provide the best possible results. According to Adobe, users have reported a 40% increase in productivity when using generative fill compared to traditional methods. That's a significant boost, especially for professionals working on tight deadlines. Now, let's talk about how to get started with generative fill. First, ensure you're using the latest version of Photoshop, as this feature is continually updated and improved. Here's a quick step-by-step guide. 1. Open your image in Photoshop. 2. Use the lasso tool or any selection tool to select the area you want to modify or fill. 3. Right-click the selection and choose to Generative Fill. 4. A dialog box will appear. You can type in a prompt describing what you want to fill the area with, or simply click Generate to let Photoshop decide. 5. Review the generated results and choose the one you like best. You can adjust and refine your selection if needed. It's that simple. Just remember, the more specific you are with your prompts, the better the results will be. Some creative uses for generative fill include enhancing product images by filling in backgrounds, creating unique art pieces by blending different styles, or even generating textures for graphic design projects. Artists and marketers are embracing this feature, making it a game changer in the creative industry. In summary, generative fill in Photoshop is a revolutionary tool that empowers you to create stunning images with ease. Whether you're removing distractions or adding new elements, it allows you to work faster and more creatively than ever before. So why not give it a try? Dive into your projects and explore the endless possibilities that this feature offers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks on Adobe Photoshop. And we'd love to hear from you. Share your experiences with generative fill in the comments below. What amazing things have you created with it? Until next time, keep creating and stay inspired.